100 English words that start with C. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hey there, welcome again.
You're back on English Podcast. We're glad you're here.
Today's lesson is all about learning new words.
100 useful English words, starting with the letter C.
Just listen carefully and repeat after us.
Practice with us and grow your vocabulary.
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Step by step, your English will improve.
Listen and repeat.
Cab,
Cab,
cabinet,
cabinet,
cable,
cable,
cake,
cake,
calendar,
calendar,
call,
call,
calm,
calm,
camera,
camera,
camp,
camp,
can.
Great start.
Let's keep the momentum. Cancel,
cancel,
candy,
candy,
cap,
cap,
capital,
capital,
captain,
captain,
car,
car,
card,
card,
care,
care,
career,
Career.
careful.
careful.
You're doing really well.
Say them out loud. Don't be shy.
Carpet,
Carpet,
carrot,
carrot,
carry,
carry,
cartoon,
cartoon,
case,
Case.
cash,
Cash.
castle,
Castle.
cat,
Cat.
catch.
Catch.
You're doing amazing.
Let's move to the next set.
Category,
Category.
cause,
Cause.
cave,
Cave.
ceiling,
Ceiling.
celebrate,
Celebrate.
cell,
Cell.
cell phone,
Cell phone.
center,
Center.
century,
Century.
ceremony.
ceremony.
Almost halfway there.
Keep going. You're doing great.
Certain,
Certain,
chain,
chain,
chair,
chair,
challenge,
challenge,
champion,
champion,
chance,
chance,
change,
change,
channel,
channel,
chapter,
chapter,
character.
character. You're building your vocabulary.
Say each word clearly. You got this. Charge,
Charge,
chart,
chart,
chase,
chase,
cheap,
cheap,
check,
check,
cheese,
cheese,
chef,
chef,
chemical,
chemical,
chest,
chest,
chicken.
chicken.
You're learning fast.
Only 30 more to go.
Chief,
Chief,
child,
child,
childhood,
childhood,
chill,
chill,
chimney,
chimney,
choicey,
choicey,
choose,
choosy,
chop,
chop,
church.
church.
Almost there.
Let's say the last words together.
Circle,
Circle,
city,
city,
civil,
civil,
claim,
claim,
class,
class,
classic,
classic,
classroom,
classroom,
clean,
clean,
clear,
clear,
clever.
clever.
Final stretch now.
Let's finish strong.
Client,
Client,
climate,
climate,
climb,
climb,
clock,
clock,
Close.
Close.
Cloth.
Cloth.
Cloud.
Cloud.
Club.
Club.
Clue.
Clue.
Coat.
Coat.
You did it! That's 100 new C words!
Great job. We're proud of you.
Watch this again anytime.
And keep practicing every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For more videos like this one.
Speak confidently.
And learn with joy.